Alright, what's up guys? We are back here. This is Mark Hill from Radical Speed, and we're also shooting this for 1320. This is Bam Bam, and you have the mud truck right here. So Philip and Derek. And if you guys know, you've seen this race that has been brewing on the internet about Bam Bam starting from a dig and mud truck starting from a 60. Right now we just had a driver's meeting with just them two, Justin and Chase, and we just want to talk about what they hashed out and what we got going here. So Derek, Philip, what do we got?
Well, first off, we just wanted to come to terms on what was going to happen, what was going to take place, and how to go about it, try to get a clean run in. So I think we worked out those details. The big thing is we want, me from a stop, Philip from a 60. That's the two biggest things. We worked out the, with cars leaving and everything. I'm on a stage like a normal drag race. He's going to come rolling through like a normal road race. He does get the hit. He gets 60 miles an hour. So as long as he goes through his beams first and is out in front, it's a race. If I leave early, I'm out.
Man.
That's the thing, is mainly just getting a clean start, because both of us just want a fair, clean run, regardless of the outside chatter from people that aren't racing. So because we're just here to race, we're here to have fun.
So we have to say that the comments that struck up the internet in fire was when Derek made the comment that you can go from a 60 and he'll start from a dig. How do y'all feel about the internet trolls? Because we have a lot of internet racer experts out there.
It definitely brought out a lot of doctorate level physicists. So there's talks of Derek's going to be doing 60 by the 60 foot, and I'm just going to be like in space with my latte and my, skinny jeans and
Chuck Taylors.
And Chuck Taylors, yeah, just in another world. So then other guys saying how, Derek's going to hit the tires because he's going to try and lean on it too much, and all this drama about how the race is actually going to start. But like I said, that's the point of the drivers meeting, was to hash out, what makes sense for both of us, because at the end of the day, if either one of us calls it, then we're the ones whose opinion matters on it. So, yeah.
But in the grand scheme of things, we just want a clean race. So I even told Philip, if something crazy happens, I don't want to win on a technicality. If he mashes the brake pedal instead of the gas pedal, we're going to rerun it. I want a clean race. So whatever it takes to get a clean race. Hopefully we can do that first time.
Yep. Absolutely.
Man, that is hopefully the luck that we have, and we're going to strap these guys full of GoPros. We got a lot of cameras going on out here today, so we plan on to bring the best footage from this race. And as you see, we got the best sportsmanship that you can ever have. They both want a clean race. We all want a clean race, and hey, there's...
Yeah, and don't get it wrong, we both want to gap each other.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day.
There's going to be some gappage going on. Don't know who.
So, let's give a in theory. I want to hear from each one of you first. So, Derek, would you say if you got a clean hit, what do you think would happen?
Early on, I was very confident. Later on, I was a little confident. Today, I don't freaking know. Do not know. It's going to be a race. It's pretty much going to be down to the wire. Hopefully both of us at some crazy speeds on the top end, getting it done.
So Phil?
So I've seen, back to the internet mathematicians, that I'm going to get driven around at the 60 foot, the 330, the 660, the 1000, every incremental, and I don't know. I mean, he should have probably 20, 25 mile an hour on me, so he'll be coming. It's just how long can I hold him off? So,
man. And me personally, I think that this is going to be a race around the 8th mile to 1,000 foot. That's when it's going to be a drag race. I believe
he's
that
gonna be out there.
Yeah, I believe that
hopefully I'm coming.
Yeah, so I was like, I believe that he'll be out there. You'll be coming in around that 1,000 foot mark is where it's gonna really be a drag race. That last 320 feet is where both of y'all are gonna shine.
I got my third scramble button wired up. I mean, it should be sufficient.
Oh, sweet. All right, man. Well, we wish y'all the best of luck.
All right.
We want a clean race, and you see these guys. This is what it's all about. So
Sir.
we hope to do more of this at Street Car Takeover, because this is definitely a new race format, and we have to thank these guys for it. So anybody else want to try Bam Bam or Philip from a roll or you from a dig, then somebody come get Gap.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, we're out.
All right.
George, he's looking for a thumbs up from you. He crossed! He crossed! He crossed! He crossed! He crossed!
You were on it way too long, weren't you? Okay, yeah.
I was trying to tell you, but you went way too early. That motherfucker crossed, Derek. He fucking crossed.
Yeah, but
Just kill it for now.
he did cross. You never left. I don't know what you want to do about that. They're proposing. They're proposing. He's back up there, but he's gonna have to cool. We got to cool down.
Yeah, I got 12 and a half seconds on the chip.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Like I said, I was cool with 5 to 10, but I got past that 10 mark and I was like,
Well, the problem was, and even Justin was like,
I
well,
stayed on
he's,
there as long as I could.
I know, and Justin was like, well, he was a long way away. I was like, Justin, it doesn't matter if he was a long way away. I could be live, like, you could be showing me a video live, and I could be in California, and when it goes green, I'm supposed to leave. It doesn't matter that I'm 1,000 miles away. It went green, so I'm supposed to move.
And he didn't.
And he sat there for
Tell him your game plan. What do you
So I think what we do is give you some time to cool down. If you want to rerun, we can. But you did win, so if you had money on this, guys, you should be getting paid. So
100%.
you posting that up on Street Car Takeover?
Yes,
we said it on the live feed.
So
they
they're not
came
gonna
over
run
and
the other
talked to
classes
me.
till later.
Yeah.
If you want to push it to another day, another time.
What?
How fast was he going when he crossed?
59.
59,
That
it was
part
legit.
was legit. I mean, and I went over and talked to the sheriff. He had it locked onto the car.
And he was
as
videoing
fast
and
as it went.
videoing,
Yep.
so
We had
it's just
video
the
on the
cross.
radar gun, everything. It was legit.
But you should have heard your tires when you took off.
huh?
You should have heard your tires when you took off.
Oh, dude.
The track was blue.
It is sticky.
You might have ran a 5 and an 8, maybe.
Shit.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, it's not how I wanted to win, but you won.
Do you want to try it again or no?
What do we need to focus on? Not tearing the motor up, or do we need to focus on winning 2 classes?
I just need to know if I need to start changing gears.
Yeah, because if we need to start changing something, we
It's up
will.
to you boys.
I don't know.
Don't. My feelings don't matter here.
You know me, I'm game for whatever.
I know you are. So,
But
but I
there's
want to
a-
know.
there's a gear
I
change.
want to know what you want to do. Just because you're game for something doesn't mean you want to do it either. So it's up to you.
I mean, you're not a bitch if you
Winning-
don't race him.
You're not.
It's
Not
10
at
till
all.
9, and we haven't even started
Winning
2 rounds
6,000 in the other classes sounds a lot better than
at this point.
because that was. I mean, what if he does the same thing again?
Yeah.
You know, and then I do that for nothing and lose out on $6,000.
And take a chance of getting hit.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to run our classes.
Okay.
We think $6,000 is worth more than the 500 he already won, and the possibility of that happening again. Not to say it would, but at 9 o'clock at night, you got 12 and a half seconds on the chip.
And you let off the chip a good 2 seconds more before he even got to the line.
So what
you
we're
didn't
asking?
even get on the chip. You didn't even like get on it until the green was already
Yeah,
green for a
like way
second
green.
or so. Like he didn't
He had like
instantly
16
get on it.
seconds to get there.
I was worried about that before the start of the whole race.
And that's why we even told him. We were talking cars, took him
That's-
5 to 9
remember, I
seconds.
came up and told you before a race, I'm like, he's starting from further back.
Yeah.
But he's going 60. He should have got there quicker.
Well, yeah, like I'm saying, where he's starting doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is, he didn't move when it went green. He was supposed to have. See what I'm saying? That all could have been avoided if he would have left when it turned green. So it sucks.
How long have we got
He was
till
still
first
going
round?
really slow.
Have we ran any first round yet?
No. We're just not getting
Dude,
started.
first round takes for free. They just had the first call for the first class.
Let's get the car ready for the classes. We got a lot of street car takeovers. I'd say let's try it again another time. I mean, unless y'all want me to just try to make it happen tonight.
No, that's fine. Your car, your race. I mean, I ain't going.
Everything good? You didn't hit the wall or anything?
No, thank God.
That was a nice save.
Thank you.
Yo.
Let them drawers are up there sucked up a little bit too.
I tried to stay on the chip
big.
and I was like,
Minimum this big.
2.5 seconds. Yeah. And I got on the chip like 2 seconds after green.
Yeah.
And I let off 2 seconds before you got there.
Yeah.
So it just took a while to get up there. I tried. I was worried about the car. It
Oh,
was-
yeah.
Yeah.
Try again. I know you got 2 classes in a row.
Yeah. I mean, I want to, but I got my heart set on them other 2 classes too. Trying to win points championship again this year. So that's my only thing.
Yeah. No, I get it.
I'm just glad your car's okay. To be honest.
He does. No, I'm saying it, but for some reason he's out.
How about if you, for some strange reason, aren't in both classes?
What about
Well, I'm gonna change gears.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot. Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta go.
about last
You know me,
race
I'm
of the
game for
night?
whatever.
Yeah.
But
He ain't good.
I don't know. I mean, I come here to race all 3, not just one.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I tried.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just kind of where I'm at.
What about last race of the night?
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
already
change
set up
gears,
for the
though.
other
Oh,
classes.
yeah. I forgot you got to go back to small tire. Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta
Yeah.
take them 200 mile an hour gears out.
Yeah.
So, I hate that. That's- I don't know what to do, but I'm game for whatever. But I mean, I did come to run 3 things and not just one.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's up to you. So you can say you're game for whatever, but it's up to you because you technically won. So, which sucks that it had to come down to technicalities, but
You know me, I'm totally up for a rematch, down with more other streetcar takeover, exact same race, let's run it again. Just,
I mean, I don't think. I mean, on technicality though, like if neither one of us even made the pass, like either won or lost. From a betting aspect, like if he
What'd
let
you say,
out.
sorry?
I said from a betting aspect, neither one of us actually made a pass. If he was off of it before I got up there.
yeah, I was in the beams, I was ready to make a pass.
Yeah, no.
I tried. And then even if I would have let go of the button, you stopped. That's ultimately their call. It's their event, their call on the win or whatever.
But you're not going to Denver, right?
I'll probably be at all of them but that one.
What's the next one after Denver?
OKC next week.
yeah.
No, like
Oh, I don't know. Indianapolis, maybe?
Chase, what's the next race after
After this,
Denver?
Indy?
after Denver, We got so many of them, I gotta look. Indy, yeah, which is a really good one. Yeah. So, there'll be double the attendance in Indy that there is here. And the track is very well set up for this too.
Yeah.
So,
Say everything's on hold until Indy, because there's pots on each side. So.
Well, I mean, that's got to be determined though. That
Yeah, no, that's what I'm
people
saying.
on both sides aren't going to let that ride. There's got to be a decision.
yeah.
Because I mean, stuff happens.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, here, let's the foremost moment. Hey,